everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing a couple projects I did. I went to a local thrift store and I purchased a few items to make over, and I'm going to be sharing that with you today. So after visiting my local thrift store, I ended up purchasing these 5 items. I got 2 mirrors, this old ottoman, this coffee table, and a headboard. Check out my channel for a full tutorial on how I turn this headboard into a bench. So this first project, I'm going to be redoing this coffee table. It was a nice solid pine piece. It had been stained a dark mahogany color. So I sanded all the solid wood using my orbital sander. After sanding everything, I came back with a wet rag and removed all of the sawdust and debris. I then came in with this dark walnut stain and stained the top. For the bottom shelf, which I couldn't sand, I used Kills primer. And for the paint, I used Rust-Oleum Chalk Chiffon Cream Paint. After applying 2 coats of the paint, I used Rust-Oleum Chalked Matte Clear Protective Top Coat. And here's the finished piece. I absolutely love how this table now looks. My next project is this old ottoman that I purchased for $2.50. I am removing all the staples and removing the original fabric. To reupholster this piece, I'm using a drop cloth fabric. As you can tell, my upholstery skills are not the best, but I managed to make it work, and this is a piece that I'll be keeping for myself. I then used these nautical cotton ropes that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I then used 3 of them and braided them together into a long strand and hot glued them to the ottoman. I went around several times. And here's the finished piece. My next project are these two mirrors. I purchased both of these for $4. I am removing the backs and the mirrors, cleaning them thoroughly, and then painting them using a gray chalk paint. After applying a couple coats of paint, I then use a protective top coat. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and if you could, give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.